There's the 3 peacocks. Well, we got 4, but one's in the cage still. There's the wild hen, Sugar. Here's the Bojangles and Sunny. There's Jack, our beagle. There's the other peacock right there. There's Buggy. You gonna get out? You gonna get out? They've been climbing over this fence right here and getting out. Old Boogie already did, didn't you? Meow. You want back in there? Come on. Come on. Come on. Bogey. Guys, I ain't touching you. I ain't touching you, you stinky heads. Boogie. Boogie. Come on. Come on. Boogie. Try to let one in and let the other one out. Now the other one's going out. You gonna go out there too? Now they're all out. Ooh, you stink. You stinky heads. Where you guys going? Here. Come on. There you go. Yeah? Get you some more. You gonna make noise too? All right, take it down below 6 inches all the way around the property. Doing good. That's half pint. Eating poison oak, I believe. You like that, don't you? It's poison ivy or poison oak. What are you guys doing? This is the critter trail. Look at that trail. It goes around the property all the way up to the critter table. Oh, they left me. Look how wore down that dirt is. That's the trail that they come up. The critters come up. Wow. Have fun. Come here, have fun. There's my babies. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Call them. Tell them to come in here. Say, come on. It's time to eat. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Go in.
Come on, kiddos. Come on. Good boys.
There you go.
Good boy. All right.
Good shit.
Hi, Shadow. Hi, Shadow.